Hey everybody, welcome to my virtual classroom. I'm Mr. Lamping, and we're going to hit week number 2. Week number 2 is really not that big of a deal. We're going to have 2 sets of instructions. Now, before I show you the module, and as we go through the module, I want to know that the second set of instructions, a little bit later in the week, we're going to be doing some constructions, and you're going to need a compass. So there are different types of compasses. I'm going to show you the different types. Here are 2 types that Homestead commonly uses, but I'm actually going to do my construction with the old-fashioned sticky one. That's the kind of compass I'm going to use. So I want you to have a compass of some kind. These you can purchase at Walmart real easily. They sometimes will have these type, but these are the types of compasses that you'll use. You need something that you can draw a curve on, circle, a curve, something of that fashion. So they're not very expensive. You're going to want to make sure you have some kind of a compass for that. Okay, now let's move on and let's take a look at this particular module. We start off with the introduction, which you're looking at right now. We've got the resource room times and the open forum links. Again, resource room, you can go on a live Zoom with me or with a teacher's assistant and ask questions, and they'll be able to help you, or I'll be able to help you. There's also an open forum, a Google Doc that you can open up, and you can ask questions, you can answer questions, you can look and see what other students are talking about. I will occasionally go on there, and I can answer questions as well. The next link is called instructions. That's my first instruction. We're going to look at angle types. We're going to ID different types of angle pairs. We're going to look at vertical angles. We're going to look at adjacent angles, supplementary angles, complementary angles, linear pairs, basically 2 angles and how they can relate to each other. And then we'll talk about their relationships and how they work out. You'll have a SWIC, you will have an assignment from MathXL, and then we'll move into the second set, which is the constructions. That's where you're going to need that compass and a straight edge. So a ruler will work just fine for that. I'm pretty sure you probably have a ruler at home. We're going to look at constructing segments that are congruent segments. I give you one segment, you draw one just like it. I give you an angle, you draw an angle just like it. So congruent segments, congruent angles, as well as a perpendicular bisector of a segment or an angle bisector. We'll teach you how to do those types of constructions with the compass and the straight edge only. And then we'll have another SWIC, another assignment. The assignment is not going to be from MathXL. Instead, it's going to be from a book assignment. You're going to do some constructions. You'll do it on a piece of paper, and then you will take a snapshot of it with your phone, turn it into a PDF file, and then upload it into Canvas there. That's what that part of that section of the module will consist of when you get to that second assignment. And then we'll have the conclusion video, and then we'll have an assessment. I don't think there's an assessment in this one. There's no assessment. You just have to go to there, mark it done, and move on out, and that'll take care of the week. So good luck with that, and I'll see you on the other side of it. If you have questions, please make sure that you ask.